Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something super practical. How to send Polkadot from your Revolut account straight to your Tangem wallet in 2025. If you're into crypto, you know how important it is to move your assets to a secure wallet for better control. This step-by-step guide will make it easy and hassle-free, so let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have Polkadot in your Revolut account. If not, you'll need to buy it or transfer it from another source. Once that's sorted, open your Revolut app and head to the Crypto section. Look for your Polkadot balance. That's where the magic starts. Next, grab your Tangem wallet. Unlock it and go to the Receive section to generate a Polkadot address. This is crucial, so double-check that you're copying the right address to avoid any mix-ups. Pro tip: always verify the address on your Tangem device itself to prevent errors. Now, back in Revolut, select Polkadot from your crypto holdings and tap on the Send or Transfer option. You'll be prompted to enter the recipient's address. Paste the one from your Tangem wallet here. Then, input the amount you want to send, but remember to leave a little extra for network fees. Before you hit Confirm, review everything carefully. Check the address, the amount, and any fees involved. Once you're sure, go ahead and confirm the transaction. You'll get a confirmation notification, and it might take a few minutes for the transfer to process on the Polkadot network. After that, hop back to your Tangem wallet and refresh it to see your Polkadot arrive. Awesome, you're done. This process is straightforward, but always prioritize security. Use two-factor authentication and keep your devices protected. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. Drop your questions in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay safe out there.